Hi, this is Eric from Avalue. I'm the Senior Manager in charge of Avalue's Design and Manufacturing Service Division and the HPC product line as well. Today, we are here to share some key features of our HPC solutions. While these key features can benefit our customer, then a case study sharing by our colleague from BCM. And what are the customization services we can provide to our customer on our HPC solutions? Okay, let's start. Here is the agenda for today's presentation. First, I will have a short introduction about what is HPC. Second, the key features of Avalue's HPC products. Third, serviceability on Avalue's HPC systems, followed by the advantages of using Avalue's HPC solutions, and a case study sharing. The last one is Avalue's customization services on our HPC solutions. Before we start, I want to show a video clip to have an initial outlook on our HPC solution first.
Avalue's high-performance computing product line covers from server-class motherboards in ATX and extended ATX form factors, barebone computers, and fully integrated Level 10 rack-mount or tower-type server systems, delivering lightning-fast server-class performance with extended lifecycle, traceability, IPMI real-time system monitoring, remote management, and exceptional reliability. Optimized for AI, machine learning, edge computing, IoT, and 5G technologies. These are great solutions for intensive and precise imaging processing applications, such as precision diagnosis, life science, advanced medical imaging like image-guided therapy in healthcare and medical, superior accelerated workstation and communication, smart public safety and enforcement technology in smart city, visualization, machine vision, and transformative analytics in smart manufacturing.
What is HPC? HPC is high-performance computing, which can process data and perform complex calculations at high speeds. The key features of HPC product, including high processing speed, high-speed memory, and a larger memory capacity for fast data storage, and high-speed Ethernet connection between different computing nodes. Nowadays, HPC products have been leveraged in different market segments, spanning from healthcare, engineering, space research, urban planning, finance, and business field, to provide the faster computing results and improve data accuracy. Since the HPC solutions have been applied in so many different industries in recent years, HPC becomes a high-growth market. We can recognize significant trend and demand from global since 2018, and the market growth forecast will achieve 7.2% CAGR to 2023. What are the industries and applications Avalue focus? First, healthcare field for precision diagnosis and life science. Second, medical field for advanced medical imaging processing. Third, communication field as superior accelerated workstation, followed by the smart manufacturing, especially on visualization, machine vision, and transformative analytics. The last one is the smart city application, such as public safety and enforcement technology. Here are three key features in Avalue's HPC solution. First, Avalue's HPC has high-speed I/O interfaces, which could support maximum 3 double-wide GPU cards, different PCIe cards, and make sure add-on cards could be compatible in the system. Also, Avalue implement intrusion detection sensor for data security purpose. If the system has been opened, intrusion detection sensor will generate event log to notify the abnormal access. Third, thermal performance plays the key role in high-speed processing. Avalue implement the front and rear system fans to enhance cooling the whole system, so HPC could work effectively under high-speed computing workloads. Avalue also implement inlet and outlet sensors devices to detect whether airflow works normally or not, which aims to remain stable thermal performance while system processing. To enhance serviceability for field service and maintenance, Avalue has the following design considerations on the mechanical design. First, we have flexible chassis design, which can switch to both rack and workstation usage by enabling and disabling handles and stands. Second, we enhance expandability on multiple computing power solutions, which can fulfill at least 3 different computing power performance through the same chassis and internal dimension. Third, Avalue add tool-free removable design and lockable front door, which let users have better access control during maintenance. If user would like to replace storage devices from accessible storage bay, makes user easily exchange the old device to a new one, rather than disassemble the whole system and reassemble it. Advantages of using Avalue's HPC solutions. Our Level 10 system is designed to meet 50,000 hours MTBF reliability target and support up to 60 degrees Celsius operating temperature for board level to increase product reliability. Second, our solutions have complete design validation, including SI, power, and thermal measurement, and have 100% mass production test coverage to assure product quality. Third, for all of our HPC solutions, we will provide at least 7 years of the product lifecycle to help our customers to avoid frequent design verification and the recertification effort and the cost. Our 19-inch 4U chassis can transform into 6 different configurations. It will help our customers to upgrade their system in the future without additional design effort on their existing solution. After introducing some key features and advantages of using Avalue's HPC solution, now we are excited to invite our colleague, sales executive from BCM, our branch office in the United States, to share a case study. Let's welcome Andrew Williamson.
Thank you, Eric, for inviting me. Hello, everyone. I'm Andrew Williamson, Sales Executive with BCM Advanced Research. We have seen an increased number of customers seeking high-performance computing, or HPC solutions, with the particular requirement of extended life cycle, like our other embedded computing products, to refresh or upgrade from their existing ones. Our HPC products were officially introduced earlier this year in 2021, designed with multiple significant features, not just high-performance computing, but also with extended life cycle, traceability, IPMI real-time system monitoring, remote management, and exceptional reliability. These are the benefits customers are expecting to have for their long-life applications. One case study I would like to share is our HPC used in the medical market. So, our concept behind the HPC, or high-performance computing, was really brought to us by some of the customers. Not the end customers, but our system integrator customers who provide services to the end customers. In this one case, in particular, it was a company in DNA genome sequencing. So basically what they do is they use these big computers to go out and try to understand a person's DNA and the likelihood they may get a certain disease down the road, such as the likelihood they're going to get cancer or the likelihood of getting some other ailment. And using this information, you can maybe plan and prevent a medical regime around that. DNA tracing has been around for a while. Some people use it to trace your family's history and family tree, but in this case, it's for a medical purpose. So what the customer asked from us was, we need a platform that we can get 10 years on, because the end customer came to us and said, hey, we really never run out of processing power on the servers you're providing. All of our processing is on the GPUs. These are the high-end graphic cards like the NVIDIA Quadro, RTX, A6000, or the AMD. If we had a base computer system running on a high-performance computing that we can plug these cards on and use that as a base platform over multiple products in multiple years, that would be perfect. And why would that be perfect to us? Number one, It's going to save us tremendous costs. So cost of having to redesign the product every 1 to 2 years, or cost of having to do large last time buys, bringing in product and needing that product over the next years to come. So that's number one. And number two, a massive cost saving is certification. So today, taking this product to FDA approval. So every time we have to bring a new platform in, we have to recertify through the FDA. And the FDA is not only expensive, it's also time consuming. So it's eating into the product's life cycle, and by the time I go through the FDA, I'm already getting notice from the current suppliers that the product's going EOL and I have to make this last time buy. And number three is product continuity. We have a base platform we're very familiar with. We know what the bugs are. We've worked them out. We won't have to continue to conquer every single time we come out with a new platform to develop on. So these are the challenges the customer is facing, and they are expecting to have a high-performance computing product, not only that can support multiple high-end graphics cards, but also with a long product lifecycle support. So what did we provide? In this case, we provided a custom board. The volume wasn't super significant, so we charged a fairly high sales price to make it worth our return on investment. And in the end, the customer is happy. So even though they're paying 2 to 3 times the cost from a non-embedded customer, the savings through the reduced product development efforts and reduced certification costs will far outweigh the 2 to 3 time premium they're paying for the product itself. We could probably charge 10 times premium and they would still save money. So this is what BCM brought to the table. And for the customer, they benefit not only from the cost savings, where they can have reduced R&D, they can have their employees not just qualifying new computers, but also doing the advanced development. Reduced certification costs, so maybe they can certify 1 every 2 to 3 cycles instead of 1 every cycle. And it's product continuity, where you have a base product and can ship over many different lines, and they know how to service it. They know just how to maintain it, and it all just brings down their overall cost of service to them and gives them a continuity of not having all different platforms in the field at different times. That is also why we have come up with this HPC product line, and this is a perfect case study on the value proposition BCM brings to the table and to the customers. In addition to the medical market, we have customers in the information, communication, and security field who provide solutions using emerging enterprise technology. For example, the security CCTV central monitoring system, vehicle license plate recognition system, and VMS video management server. They are seeking a server like ATX motherboard with a long life cycle, at least 6 LAN ports, and capable to support 4 independent displays, with optimized engineering development resources and cost to meet their product launch deadline. There's another local customer in the industrial test instrument field. The customer is looking for the next generation high-performance server computer based on the Intel Alder Lake or Sapphire Rapids platform for their HPC system tester HMI. We do have both platforms on our product roadmap to offer, and will be introduced after Intel officially announces these new platforms. So these are just a few examples from the US regions of what market applications that our HPC can be used at. So Eric, what products and services would you recommend for these market applications?
Thanks, Andrew, for sharing case study of HPC market and application. After realizing the customer's requirement on HPC solution, Avalue will provide the following services for our HPC product. First, for pre-sales, we will provide feasibility study and solution suggestion. Second, we are not only able to provide level 6 barebone system, but also level 10 fully integrated server solutions. Operating system and software integration service are also the services we can provide. Third, for the thermal and acoustic design, we will verify the thermal performance, fan speed control, and acoustic level test to make sure those functions perform stably. Furthermore, we have in-house UEFI and IPMI firmware engineers to provide customized UEFI and IPMI modification service based on customers' system requirement. These are quite important to our customers, and these services are rarely available when they choose the HPC systems from the traditional server suppliers. That's all for my presentation today. Thank you for your listening, and we are looking forward to cooperating with you in the near future. Thank you.